The 600 series blow-molded folding chairs from NPS incorporate an amazing array of features and upscale design elements, combined to make this the most comfortable, attractive, and strong blow-molded folding chair available. Most popular is the light gray contoured plastic seat and back on gray textured powder-coated frame. Model number 602. Also available in blue or red on black frame with matching tables as part of the All-American line. Built onto a heavy-gauge steel frame with 2 curved cross braces for strength and a contemporary look. Seat features underbracing for added durability, and rear legs feature plugs for added stability. Lightweight, the Series 600 is perfect for indoor or outdoor use with specially treated UV protection plastic. Exceeds ANSI BIFMA standards for strength and environmentally green certified. It is eligible for LEED points.